Hi guys, I'm Karan. I'm here to help you troubleshoot video issues with your Cosmos Office. If you press your Cosmos Office link and you come to the entry page and you see this red banner which says Cosmos needs access to your devices in Chrome, we can quickly solve this issues. It'll take two major steps. Let's start with the first one. So for the first one, to give Cosmos access on Chrome level, just press the lock icon in your address bar. In Firefox, it might be available on this setting might be available on the right. Once you press this lock icon, you can see that Cosmos does not have access to camera and microphone. Easy peasy. Let's turn it on and just reload the page. You just press reload. This would refresh Cosmos and can fix the issue if your Chrome settings are the ones which are causing the issue. Over here, once you press this lock icon, now we can see camera and microphone permissions are on, and we still see another red banner saying Cosmos does not have permissions still. And in this case, Chrome doesn't have permissions from your Mac OS for your camera and microphone. So this is an OS issue. So for this, let's go quickly to the settings cogwheel. In the settings cogwheel, we need to go to security and privacy. Once you're in that section, we'll have to go to two sections. First is we'll have to go to camera. And in camera, we'll have to go click Google Chrome. You'll be asked to quit and reopen Chrome. You could do that. In my case, I'll just do this later when I reset the other setting for microphone as well. I go to microphone, I go to Google Chrome, I tick this box. Now at this point, you'd like to reset your Chrome browser. So let's quit and reopen. And in this situation, Chrome is booting up. Now I'll quickly open up the Cosmos HQ link. This is booting up. Voila, everything is sorted. So two permissions are required. One is on Chrome level. Once that is given, it still might not work because Chrome might not have permission on the Mac level. So once you give that as well and restart your browser, come back to the Cosmos Office, you see yourself over here. If you don't and you see some other camera or microphone, just press the device settings, use the drop down, choose the mic you want, choose the camera you want, close the overlay, enter your office, and you're all set. Awesome. I shall see you in another video. See you.